it going down, I don't wanna know it. I got the backlash written on me, caught robbing on a glass bowl, I've been ballin'. Free my ladies in the counter now, I'm already out, already on the countdown.
In today's video, I'm going to teach you a stage dance move combination that you can use for your male strip shows or in your male review show. So let's get straight into it. Before I start, I just want to say that we're going to be using two dance moves in this dance move combination. One will be a shaky leg dance walk, and the other will be a walking body roll movement. Now, I'm not going to go in depth on these moves in this tutorial. So if you want to learn how to do those moves specifically to be able to complete this dance move combination, I highly suggest that you log online to your student portal in the online course and you look up the dance moves, specifically shaky leg dance walk, also the walking body roll movement. So make sure you look at those videos first, learn them, and then come back to this dance move tutorial. Let's get into it. So to start off this dance move, straight into the shaky leg dance walk for 4 counts, okay? Arms out, make sure you're bouncing and bending the knees to get that hip hop feel. 4 counts to begin with. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once we've done the 4 counts, step out to our side, arms up and hit. Down with the elbows, down with the foot at the same time, step out to the other side of our body, same thing, hit, bring it back in, down. From the top, 4 counts of shaky leg walk, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now that you've mastered that, let's move on. From here, we're going to bring our fists in the air. We're going to pull them down with our elbows and then hit with the knee back down, okay? Up in the air, hit. Up in the air and hit. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Okay, so from here, we're going to go 3. A slight lift of the elbows. Make it nice and dynamic and kind of glitchy almost. 3, and then 4 is all the way up. Okay? So from here, hit, down, 3, 4. Yeah? Hit, down, 3, 4. Also, I want to make a point here. As I do this hitting movement, I'm coming side on. Not completely side on, like a diagonal. Okay, so make sure we're hitting this body shape right here. Okay, so once we're done that 3, 4 with the arms, we're going to go into the walking body roll movement for 4 counts. Or 2. Let's keep it 2 to keep it simple. So after we go 3, 4, we're going to move straight into our walking body roll movement. Yeah? Simple, okay? And that's the dance move combination. I'm going to go through it all again. One more time. Nice and slow. Do it with me. Let's practice. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Real time, proper counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to do it side on for you guys so you can see a different angle. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me try this side for you, just to mix it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay guys, follow along now, we're going to do it fast. Make sure you keep up. I'm going to go counting on the 1 and 2 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and